Shawty bad, slim, big. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the go.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I'm QuoiaLen if you're new here, and if you're a returner, welcome back. See, we don't even need an introduction because we know each other. You're coming back. And if you're new here, then just hit that subscribe button down below so you can become a returner as well. You already clicked the video, that means you already kind of like me. So that means just hit the subscribe button, just become part of my little family we got going over here. Well, anyway, I'm going to a graduation today, and this is the look I came up with. It was a quick look, easy look, and if you like it and you want to see how I got it, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with my base first because when I do my foundation and stuff first, the time to do my makeup seems to go by a lot quicker. So yeah, I'm gonna do that first. And to prime, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Master Prime it's the Blur and Smooth one. You see that? Oh, it's so clear, but it's the Blur and Smooth one. Actually, it's pretty good. I'm actually almost out, so excuse me. Put that there. I just put dots everywhere. I'm gonna take my Fenty foundation. Color 420. Just, y'all know how this go. I ain't gonna be color 420 for long. Oh, just rub that on there. And I'm gonna take my Real Techniques buffing brush. This is like the GOAT. No, this lighter just does not work. I'm gonna be buying a ring light soon, so I won't have to worry about any of these lighting issues. And for concealer, I'm going to take the Maybelline Age Rewind, the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. And this is the color Tan, but I also have Hazlenut, so I kind of mix these two together because Tan is a tad too light and Hazlenut is just my skin tone. So and to blend that out, my brushes are dirty, sorry. I wasn't just about to clean them just for the sake of this video, but I'm taking a Morphe M173 brush. I actually love to use this to blend out my concealer. So I just took my buffing brush from Real Techniques and I just blended out the edges from my concealer. I really thought Tan was too light, but it's actually a really good color. So to set my concealer, I'm going to take it's the Maybelline, their loose powder. I don't remember what it's called. It's the Maybelline powder. I think it's the color 35. Medium deep. I don't know. It's yellowish, this one. But yeah. So contour, I'm going to take the black Radiance Cream Contour little palette. I went to go buy the powder one and they've been sold out. They've been sold out for weeks. I think I missed my window to buy it when I saw it in the store the last time, but that was my fault and I haven't seen it since then, so when I go home, well, to my mom's and my dad's house, like home and not my college apartment, because that's where I'm at right now, is my college apartment, I'm gonna have to buy one because they always in stock and there's multiple places I can go to. In the small town that I'm in, there's only one place that I can go to buy the powder version of this. So yeah, so I'm just gonna take this pointed foundation brush from Real Techniques and the contour. Where did this ball come from? You are not invited, but okay, you're here now. Put that around the perimeter of my forehead. I mean, keep it going. People always telling me my forehead ain't big. Okay. It ain't big once I contour it away. For sure, for sure. I also use this one. And now I'm just going to take this e.l.f. Duo Fiber Brush to blend out my contour. Okay, so I'm going to do my brows, and I'm going to take the Dipbrow from Anastasia Beverly Hills in dark brown to do my brows. I always have to tell myself that brows are sisters, not twins. But this brow right here is my struggle brow. Both my eyebrows used to look like this one, then I got a bad wax in. Yeah, y'all know how the story go. And I learned this trick from Ellery. She brushes down her brows to get in spots that she missed because she has a lot of hair on her brow. Same sis. And that helped me so much when I figured that out. So moving on to the eyes, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette. This is actually one of my favorites. What do I do? I guess I'm gonna take this orange. This orange up here. I want to keep this look pretty like daytime, because I mean it's day and I don't want to look like I'm doing too much. So I'm just gonna take Kenya just slightly ever, this one right here, this color right here, I'm just gonna take it ever so slightly in my crease just to deepen it up just a little bit. And that's it, because this can get dark real quick. Now I'm just gonna take Nairobi, this color right here, and put it on my lid. I'm just use my finger. I love this color. Thanks. And to get into the parts that I can't get into with my finger, I'm gonna take, where's my brush? Oh, this Morphe G20 brush, just to get into the parts where I can't get with my finger. So my camera stopped recording while I was putting that on, putting my eyeliner on. But it's okay, we're gonna move on. For mascara, I'm gonna take Maybelline again, and this is the Makeup Shayla Maybelline collab. Okay, the next step, I'm gonna take this NYX eyeliner. It's not black, and I want to keep my eyes pretty open or whatever. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to take Sheba, which is this one right here. And for my face highlighter, I got this highlighter in one of my Ipsy bags. It's in the color Soda Pop, and it's from Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. It's actually really pretty. And for lips, I'm going to take this Milani lipstick in Nude Cream. It's actually too light for me, so I'm also going to take this NYX Lip Liner in Mahogany just to darken it up a little bit. It's actually kind of purple, but I'm just going to play with the color. Okay, this gave me a really soft pink type thing, but to manipulate the color even more, I'm gonna take this gloss. It's a mini. It's so cute, right? It's from Anastasia. It's the Sepia gloss. So let's see if this will change the color to my liking. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now I like this. Gonna take it off, but I didn't feel like going through the whole process, so yeah. And now I'm just gonna set my face with the NYX matte finish setting spray. And well, y'all, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it and enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, remarks, suggestions, just leave them down below in the comment box. And be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload. Oh, and be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, because I post some bomb pics and I'm funny on Twitter. So my tags are at QuoiaLen, just like my YouTube channel. So yeah, follow me.
Shawty bad, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the go.